My dear students of the world, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's lecture is about the oceans of the world. It is very important basic knowledge of international relations, geography and general knowledge. The first ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean, and everybody knows that Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, but you must know the boundaries are in between the lands or continents. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean of the world. It lies between North America, this is America, North America, this is South America, this is South America, this is from this point, this is Asia, and entire Asia, and this is Australia, western part of Australia. Now this is entire Pacific Ocean. Understand? This is Japan, this is Russia, this is China, these are the Southeast Asian countries, this is Australia, and this is the United States of America, this is Canada, and this is Alaska, state of United States of America. This is Bering Strait between Russia and United States, or Alaska state of United States. It was also part of United USSR. Deepest point of the Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. This is Panama Canal. It lies between Panama country, and it connects Pacific Ocean with Caribbean Sea or Atlantic Ocean. Now we move to second continent, second oceans of the world, that is Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. It is S-shaped. This is S-shaped. And Atlantic Ocean lies between North America, South America. It is western part of North America, and east part of South America, and east part of North America, and west part of Europe, Africa. This is the boundaries of Atlantic Ocean. It is second largest ocean of the world. Allama Iqbal referred it as a Bahr-e-Zulmat because the people of Europe travel from this continent to North America and South America, Africa, and make the people slaves and cause brutalities. That's why Allama Iqbal called it Bahr-e-Zulmat. It is also known as herring pond. A dangerous point is Bermuda Triangle. This is Asia, this is Indian Ocean. Let us move to Indian Ocean. This is the third largest ocean of the world, and it is known as Indian Ocean. Now let us see the boundaries. Indian Ocean lies between, this is Africa, this is Australia, and this is entire Asia. Means it lies between Africa, Asia and Australia. All countries bordering with Indian Ocean is called its littoral states. This is Madagascar, and it is a country of Africa, and it is only country of Africa which is in Indian Ocean. Now let me show you some countries of the Africa. This is South Africa, this is Zimbabwe, this is Mozambique, this is Tanzania, this is Kenya, this is Somalia. This is also called Horn of Africa. This is Yemen, and this is Bab el-Mandeb. This is Oman. This is the Strait of Hormuz. This is Persian Gulf. This is Red Sea, and here it is the Suez Canal. This is Iran. This is Pakistan. This is India. This is Sri Lanka. This is Bangladesh. This is Myanmar. This is Thailand. This is Malaysia. This is Indonesia. This is Philippines. This is Taiwan, and this is China, and above is Russia. Now let us move to, this is Australia. Now let us to fourth ocean of the world, that is Arctic Ocean, which lies in, it's also called North Pole. This is Arctic Ocean. It is also called North Pole of the world. It is smallest ocean. It lies between Russia. This is Russia. This is Europe. This is Greenland. This is Canada, and this is United States. It is boundaries, and these are the oceans or seas of around Arctic Ocean. Well, I think you have understand the knowledge of the oceans. Wish you good luck. See you in the next lecture. Please subscribe and share to others. Thank you.